Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by choosing one principal medium, paper, app, or a hybrid, and stick with it for at least 2 weeks so you build habit and context. Once chosen, collect 5-10 immediate sources: lectures, articles, meeting notes, bookmarks. This creates useful raw material. Then set 2 capture methods: a rapid shorthand for live capture and a 1 full sentence note for clarity. This combination speeds throughput while preserving retrievability, so you can refine later without losing important ideas. Now process what you captured. Sort raw entries into 3 distinct buckets: ideas for synthesis, factual references, and actions to take, because that separation informs how you'll use each note later. Once done, convert shorthand into clear sentences within 24 to 48 hours. This step cements memory and prevents decay. Make sure to link every note to at least one tag or project so retrieval becomes simple. These steps turn chaotic capture into structured material you can actually use. Finish by synthesizing. During a weekly review, summarize, prune, and schedule any actions. This converts notes into progress. Then create 1-3 concise insights per topic and store those final artifacts where you'll search for them. This is how notes become knowledge. If you encounter trouble, notes feel disorganized, or you can't find things, rebuild a simple index, check timestamps, and re-tag recent entries. That troubleshooting resets discoverability and keeps your system reliable, saving time and preventing future chaos.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.